Welcome to Liquid. In this video, we're diving into one of the most innovative platforms in the crypto trading space. Liquid is designed for traders of all levels, providing an intuitive interface combined with professional-grade tools. To get started, navigate to Liquid's official site. Once there, sign up for an account using my link in the description to unlock exclusive bonuses for new users. After registration, complete the KYC process to access all features. Liquid's platform boasts some of the best liquidity in the market, meaning you can execute trades efficiently without worrying about price slippage. The dashboard is straightforward. You'll find the trading interface under the Trade tab. Here, you can choose between spot trading and margin trading. Liquid supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, from major coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum to emerging altcoins. To make a trade, select your preferred trading pair, analyze the real-time charts, and set your buy or sell order. Advanced tools like charting indicators and customizable order types help you refine your strategies. To deposit funds, head to the Wallet section. Liquid supports both fiat and crypto deposits, making it easy to find your account. Withdrawals are equally simple, with robust security protocols in place to safeguard your assets. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With Liquid, you can explore competitive staking opportunities. Just transfer your USDT to the platform and start earning. This is an excellent way to grow your holdings effortlessly. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Liquid also offers a mobile app, giving you the flexibility to trade and monitor your portfolio on the go. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting, Liquid's user-friendly tools and deep liquidity make it a standout choice. Don't miss out on this chance to enhance your trading experience. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.